Let me walk you through getting HostGator with serious savings. Plus, you'll receive a free domain, free SSL, and WordPress ready to go. Click the link in the description, or scan the QR code that's displayed on screen. This link directs you to HostGator's special offer page, and here's the best part. The discount applies the instant when you land there. No coupon hunting required. Automatic savings. Once you're on that page, click Get Started. 4 plans available to you. Every single plan includes unmetered bandwidth, domain registration, SSL certificate, WordPress migration, and unmetered storage. Hatchling plan. Chat support 24/7. Outstanding value for beginners. Baby plan. Phone support upgrade. $1 more? Completely worthwhile. Business plan. Hands-on malware removal. More than just scanning. Plus, daily backup automation. Owning a business or managing clients? These features really deliver. Pro plan. Priority support with instant responses, superior CPU allocation, and top-tier performance optimization. Baby plan is the go-to for phone access. Business plan is the choice when backup and security are non-negotiable. HostGator asks if you want to register a new domain or use an existing one. For a new domain, simply type your preferred name, hit Search for Domain, and guess what? It's free for the first year with HostGator. Let's handle checkout. Start by picking your billing period. Options include monthly, 1 year, and 3 years. Here's the thing. Longer periods mean lower monthly rates. I'd recommend at least a year to maximize your discount. After that, select your data center location. Choose the one nearest to where your visitors will be. This improves load times. You'll also notice optional add-ons. SiteLock security, CodeGuard backup, domain privacy protection. These aren't mandatory. The free SSL is already included in your plan. HostGator provides a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, request a refund on your hosting fees within 30 days. Hit Continue to checkout, then add your billing info. Once you've confirmed all the details, click Submit Payment. You'll get a confirmation email almost immediately with your login credentials. Your hosting is live. Sign into your customer portal. WordPress is already there, fully installed. Your website is ready to customize, SSL is securing visitors, and the 30-day guarantee protects your investment. Great for bloggers, entrepreneurs, or anyone launching their first site. Click the link in the description below, or scan the QR code to claim your discount and start building. Thanks for watching. Now go create something awesome.